Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix an iPhone that keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi. There are few things more annoying than when you are trying to watch a video on your iPhone and it keeps freezing because your iPhone doesn't have a stable connection. Unfortunately, Wi-Fi issues are incredibly common no matter what iPhone or setup you have. Luckily though, there are good number of ways to fix a Wi-Fi signal that won't stop disconnecting. So in this video, I'll tell you some solutions to fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The first step is restart your iPhone. Sometimes the simplest solution is the easiest. Turn the iPhone off and back on again if your iPhone isn't connecting to Wi-Fi properly. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. A slider will appear, so slide to power off and then wait for some time, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is forget and reconnect to the Wi-Fi networks. If your iPhone is trying to connect to the right Wi-Fi network but it's not doing so properly, try forgetting the network and then rejoining it. For this, open the settings app and then tap on Wi-Fi and then tap the eye icon next to the Wi-Fi network your iPhone is connected to. And then choose forget this network and then tap on forget again to confirm. You will be taken back to the Wi-Fi settings screen. Tap the name of the same Wi-Fi network you forgot and select join on the pop-up that shows. Enter the password and then tap on join. Once you rejoin, see if the network is stronger and you are done. And the next step is reset your iPhone's network settings. Next, you can reset your iPhone's network settings for a fresh start. For this, open the settings app. Choose general option, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next, choose reset and then choose reset network settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset network settings on your iPhone. Your phone will restart but you won't lose any data or apps and you are done. And the next step is turn off VPN. If you are connected to Wi-Fi network through a VPN, it could be the reason your iPhone keeps disconnecting. If the VPN is an app, just turn it off from within. But if it's in the setting app, for this, open the settings app and then tap on VPN. Next, tap on the VPN status toggle button, changing it from connected to not connected. And you are done. And the next step is reset your iPhone. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and choose general option. Scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone. Then choose erase all content and settings and then tap on continue and then choose erase iPhone and follow the on-screen instructions and you are done. I hope you find this video helpful to fix an iPhone that keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.